In this video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok text style on Veed. So this text style is a popular on TikTok videos with bold and vibrant text that pops on screen. So note that Veed.io is currently under maintenance, so I can't demonstrate the steps live right now, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the process, and once Veed is back, you can follow along. So first, make sure you are logged in with your credentials here in Veed.io. So if you don't have an account, you can just sign up or use Google account to log in. So assumingly the Veed is currently working because right now it's under maintenance. So now click the new project or create button and then upload the video you want to add TikTok style to, and then you can drag and drop the file directly into the vid editors. So assumingly we've finished uploading videos in here, you can now click on the text tool in the left hand menu, and then you see there a add text to create a new text box. So click on that and then type the text that you want to appear on your videos, for example captions, quotes, etc. So once your text is added, click on it and edit, and then change the font to something bold and attention grabbing, similar to the fonts used in TikTok videos. Fonts like Beba's New, Impact, or Poppins work great for TikTok style text. So adjust the font size to make it large enough to stand out, and then use a white or bright colors to the text and add a stroke or outline effects to give it more emphasis, just like you see on many TikTok videos. And then you can also add text animations. So to make the text more dynamic, you can click the animation tab and then select text animation and choose a style like bounce, fade in, or typewriter for the text to appear in a TikTok style way. So you can now position and timing it. Just drag and text your preferred positions on the screen, usually towards the center or bottom of the videos. You adjust the timing by moving the text box along the timeline, ensuring it appears at the right moment and disappears at the right time. So once you're done, once you're satisfied with your videos, you can export your video and download and share. And that's how you create a TikTok style text in Vid.io. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.